Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have completed the previous lesson. Yes, what was the previous lesson? Don Quixote and the windmills. So, today we'll go with a new lesson, that is an extraordinary machine. This is a new lesson from fourth class. Okay, see. A dim light shone in study. It meant only one thing: Professor Nebula was at work. True to his name, with a shock of white hair that defied gravity and a ruddy face, he looked like walking nebula. Indeed, he was a queer man who lived alone. So, there was a man, professor. He was a professor. He used to do all the inventions. His name is Nebula. You know what is a nebula? నెబ్యులా అంటే ఇప్పుడు డస్టీ పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మనం సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది కదా, సోలార్ సిస్టంలో చూస్తామా సన్, మూన్, ఎర్త్, అలాగా డార్క్ డస్టీగా ఉండే ఒక బాల్స్ని నెబ్యులా అంటారు. సో దిస్ ప్రొఫెసర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నెబ్యులా. హీఈస్ అ డిమ్ లైట్ షోన్ ఇన్ ద స్టడీ రూమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, చదువుకుంటూ ఉంటారు ఆల్ బుక్స్, అవి లైబ్రరీ రూమ్ అంటారు కదా, అలాంటి రూమ్లో ఒక డిమ్ లైట్ వచ్చిందంట. So, what is? Professor Nebula sat at the table in his study, scribbling something in his notebook that contained information of all sorts. He made occasional trips to the window when he had placed an ancient looking telescope, which is prized more than anything in the world. So, see, he is a scientist. He is the professor named Nebula. He was sitting in his study room. वो अपने टेबल के पास बैठा है एंड राइटिंग समथिंग इन हिज बुक. इन द मिडिल ही इज़ गोइंग टू దట్ విండో, సీయింగ్ వాచింగ్ సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టెలిస్కోప్లో నుంచి ఏదో చూస్తున్నాడంట విండో దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి, మళ్ళీ వచ్చి రాస్తున్నాడంట. సో సి, on that Sunday night he was gazing at the stars through his telescope. Something caught his eye. A monster, a creature moved in space. It moved its antennae and looked out through black goggled eyes. So he was watching from the telescope into the sky. While he was watching, he saw a monster of a creature. Monster అంటే తెలుసు కదా, మనం కార్టూన్స్లో చూస్తాం ఆ మాన్స్టర్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటారు, इतने मोटे मोटे बड़े बड़े आदमी, आ शैतान के जैसे रहते ना, उन लोगों को मॉन्स्टर बोलते. सो फ्रॉम द टेलीस्कोप ही सॉ मॉन्स्टर इन द स्पेस मतलब स्काई में मॉन्स्टर को देखा. प्रोफेसर नबुला jumped in his seat. He was very excited. He had just discovered some piece of alien life in outer space. He rang up two of his students, Emmanuel and Tasha, and asked them to come home immediately. So वो एक साइंटिस्ट है, वो टेलीस्कोप से कुछ नया चीज़ देखा. ही सॉ मॉन्स्टर इन द स्पेस. ही वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो एकदम खुश हो गया. ही जंप्ड इन हिज चेयर. उसके चेयर में खुशी से बैठ के ही रैंग अप टू हिज स्टूडेंट्स. उनके स्टूडेंट्स दोनों को कॉल करके बोला. व्हाट आर द स्टूडेंट्स नेम्स? इमैनुअल एंड ताशा. वो दोनों को कॉल करके बोला, कम होम इमीडिएटली, आई हैव एन सरप्राइज बोल के बुलाया. So, what is it, professor? Emmanuel asked. So, those students उनके घर आ गए and they asked him, what is it, professor? What was the surprise, professor? Look, Emma, look at the sky. Emmanuel looked up at the sky. He did not see anything special or unusual. So, he said, look, Emma, look into the sky. Sky में देखो बोल के बोला. तो इमानुअल ने देख के बोला, नो देर इज़ नथिंग स्पेशल सर, यहाँ पे कुछ तो स्पेशल है ही नहीं बोल के बोला. थ्रू दैट प्रोफेसर नेबुला पॉइंटेड टू द टेलीस्कोप. प्लीज़ ब्रेक द सस्पेंस प्रोफेसर, ताशा प्लीडेड. सो प्रोफेसर बोला, नहीं ऐसा नहीं, यू सी फ्रॉम द टेलीस्कोप, थ्रू दैट यू सी फ्रॉम थ्रू द टेलीस्कोप बोल के बोला. तो देन ओनली Tasha said, no professor, please break the suspense. Please tell me what is happening बोल के बोल. Well, as usual, today evening I was watching the stars when suddenly a weird creature came into view. I'm sure it's Martin, Professor Nebula said gravely. So, Professor Nebula bola, Today evening I was watching something into the sky. I have seen it was a monster. There was a monster. एक स्पेशल क्रीचर देखा मैं. आई एम श्योर इट इज़ अ मार्टिन है बोल के बोला. रियली ताशा कुड नॉट बिलीव इट. रियली ताशा कुड नॉट बिलीव इट. उसने बोला रियली सर इज इट ट्रू. मैं बिलीव नहीं करते. ओ येस एंड इट हैड अ बिग ब्लैक आईज एंड एंटेने दैट मूव लेफ्ट एंड राइट. प्रोफेसर नेबुला asserted. सो प्रोफेसर बोला यस यस मैंने उसको देखा. इट हैड अ बिग ब्लैक आइज. बड़े बड़े ब्लैक आइज है और उसके सर के ऊपर एंटीना भी है. वो जैसे तुम लोग देखे कोई मूवी एलियन का मूवी में रहते ना, एलियन के सिर पे तो पॉप्स के जैसे रहते ना, हिलते रहते. हाँ वैसा. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एंटीना. Shall we call the Space Research Center and tell them your findings? Emmanuel asked. So Emmanuel, other student बोला सर shall we call the Space Research Center? स्पेस वालों को कॉल करके बोलेंगे क्या कि हमने कुछ अजीब सा क्रीचर देखा है. नो नो. प्रोफेसर नेबुला pondered for a while. He paced the room up and down. Suddenly his face lit up. I have a plan. नाउ यू टू लिसन इट केयरफुली. सो प्रोफेसर बोला नहीं नहीं हम रिसर्च सेंटर को कॉल नहीं करेंगे. आई हैव अ प्लान बोल के ही स्टार्टेड टेलिंग हिज प्लान. इमैनुअल एंड ताशा पर्क्ड देयर ईयर्स एंड वेटेड फॉर द प्रोफेसर टू स्पीक अप. सो उन लोग प्रोफेसर का प्लान सुन रहे. इमैनुअल एंड ताशा. यू नो प्रोफेसर नेबुला सेड स्लोली. दिस केम अप सो सडनली दैट देर इज नॉट मच टाइम टू प्लान बट वी हैव टू make do with whatever resources we have at the moment. So Emmanuel said that professor बोला no we have this is a very urgent moment. अभी हमारे पास प्लान करने के लिए भी कुछ भी नहीं है. तो हम एक काम करेंगे. now हमारे पास क्या क्या है वही सामान से हम प्लान करेंगे बोल के बोला. like Emmanuel could not hold back his curiosity. what are you coming to? Professor Tasha asked. सो प्रोफेसर और इमैनुअल बोले लाइक विच थिंग्स प्रोफेसर बोल के पूछे. हम अपने पास है सो सामान से प्लान करेंगे बोले ना आप. अभी ఏంటి ఎట్లా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాము అని అడిగారు. క్లియర్లీ దే హ్యాడ్ నో ఐడియా ఆఫ్ వాట్ వాజ్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ప్రొఫెసర్స్ హెడ్. He paced up and down for some minutes and then snapped his fingers. Idea! I have a fantastic idea. Something which has never tried out before. So professor बोला yes I have a wonderful idea which we never tried before. We are going to fly out in outer space. I have a few inflatable suits and some masks and couple of oxygen tanks. So what was his plan? He wanted to go into space with some inflatable suits, mask and a couple of मतलब two. 2 ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स है मेरे पास वो लेके वी विल गो इनटू द स्पेस. Emmanuel and Tasha looked at each other open-mouthed. They honestly hoped that their believed professor had not lost his mind. Emmanuel and Tasha एकदम शॉक हो गए. वो अपना मुंह खोल दिया. हाँ ये क्या सर क्या तो भी बोल रहे हैं हम स्पेस में कैसे जाते. They were shocked. And about a spacecraft we have to use my motorbike with a slide car. You will sit in the slide car, Professor Nebula continued. Okay, Professor, but how can it fly? So, he asked, instead of space car, we will use our motorbike. अपना motorbike use करके हम space में जाएंगे बोल के बोला. Then Tasha asked, हाँ ठीक है motorbike use करके जाते मगर वो उड़ता कैसे. अदेला एक उड़ता दी है ना अड़गे. Professor Nebula took a peek at the sky once more through the telescope. So, Professor Nebula took a peek at the sky through the telescope. The creature has disappeared. He looked again, and there it was. It looked as if it was trying to say something. Oh, he had to act fast and document all possible information. So, प्रोफेसर ने क्या करा फिर से टेलीस्कोप के पास गया फ्रॉम द विंडो ही लुक्ड थ्रू द टेलीस्कोप, मगर उसको वहाँ पर क्रीचर दिखाई नहीं दिया. देन ही सडनली स्टार्टेड सीइंग अगेन एंड अगेन. देन देर वॉज देयर. ये यू आस्क्ड अबाउट फ्लाइंग. प्रोफेसर नेबुला स्क्रैच्ड हिज चिन and looked up. No problem, we can tie helium balloons around the bike and also fill up my flammable bed. We shall push the bike on that and that should do the trick. तो ప్రొఫెసర్ बोला, अच्छा నువ్వు నన్ను ఎలా ఎగురుదామని అడిగావు కదా, చూడు नाउ वी विल टाई द हीलियम बैलून्स. हीलियम बैलून्स बोले तो मालूम, वो जो देखो रेड कलर के बैलून्स रहते हैं, हम लोग उसका धागा कट कर दिए तो वो हवे में ऊपर तक उड़ जाते. यस, तो प्रोफेसर बोला वी विल टाई द హీలియం బెలూన్స్ టు అవర్ బైక్. మన బైక్కి ఆ హీలియం బెలూన్స్ పెట్టుకొని మనం ఎగిరిపోదాం బోల్కే బోలా. వావ్, వాట్ అ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ ఐడియా, తాషా మార్వెల్డ్. Secretly he hoped the professor would call off the plan. It was after all a very dangerous and eccentric plan. So she wanted, ताशा वाओ बोल के सरप्राइज हो गई, बट సీక్రెట్లీ उसको वो ప్లాన్ పసంద్ नहीं था. వై, అట్లా ఎవరైనా ఎగురుతారా? ఇఫ్ దే గో లైక్ దట్ దే విల్ ఫాల్ డౌన్ అండ్ దేర్ లెగ్స్ విల్ బ్రేక్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్. కమ్ లెట్స్ హరీ, దేర్ ఇస్ నాట్ అ మూమెంట్ టు వేస్ట్. ప్రొఫెసర్ నెబ్యులా గ్రూ ఇంపేషెంట్. సో హీ వాజ్ వెరీ ఈగర్ టు గో ఆన్ టు దట్ bike. He took out the telescope once more and peered into it. He had a shock. He would saw not one but two aliens' heads staring down at him. One of the creature held up looked like a stone. Martin Rock for sure. So they went and they were seeing through the telescope. अब तक उसको एक दिखा था, मगर अब दो एलियंस थे वहाँ पर. प्रोफेसर, वन क्वेश्चन. Where are we going? Tasha asked. Why to Mars? Where else? So प्रोफेसर को बच्चे पूछे. ताशा और इमानुअल दोनों है ना स्टूडेंट्स. दो स्टूडेंट्स आस्क्ड, प्रोफेसर वेयर आर वी गोइंग? हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? And so they sailed through the night sky. The city seemed so calm. Occasionally, Professor Nebula looked through the telescope. He placed the telescope next to the pocket. So he loved to munch cookies all time. He offered some to Emmanuel and Tasha. वो लोग जर्नी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और जाते जाते रास्ते में से थोड़े थोड़े एक बार he was taking up the telescope and he was checking. As it happened, the strange-looking flying object caught the attention of an owl that was on a night hunt. Quite taken up by curiosity, it swooped up and landed on one of the balloons. So, क्या हुआ देखो, they were flying. उन लोग बैलून्स टाई कर लिए, बाइक को लगा लिए, और बैलून्स के सहारे उन लोग उड़ रहे. इतने में आउल मालूम ना, जो रातों में फिरते रहता. That owl saw the balloon. She came and stood on the balloon. बैलून के ऊपर आके बैठ गया. Pop! The balloon burst and the balloon's birth talon dug into it. The bird flew off, frightened, but became more and more curious. It sat on all balloons till all of them popped. All of the efforts to shoo it away proved fertile. So क्या हुआ, वो आउल आके बैठते कि बैलून फूट गया. Yes or not? बैलून के मैंने तगिलते पगिलपोता కదా. Yes. वन ऑफ द बैलून बर्स्ट आउट. एक बैलून फूट गया. फिर वो क्या करा, आउल डर के पूरे सारे बैलून्स पे बैठ गया. सारे बैलून्स फूट गए. Slowly the spacecraft began to descend. After some time it stopped descending. What could have happened? Why we are not moving? Tasha asked. अब वो बैलूना पूरे फूट गए, अब वो कैसे उड़ता? नहीं उड़ सकता ना. हल्लू 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 स्लो हो गया, गाड़ी रुक गया. Professor Nebula was very puzzled. He landed over to his dismay, for that the inflatable bed was stuck on the tree. There was a ruckus going on the bed as the frightened birds abandoned their nest and took to flight. So all the balloons फूट गए and they are unable to fly now. They landed on a tree. Professor, can I peep through the telescope? Emmanuel asked. अब प्रोफेसर पूछा, प्रोफेसर कैन आई सी थ्रू द टेलीस्कोप बोल के पूछा. Professor Nebula reluctantly parted with this telescope. Do you see what I saw? He asked. Emmanuel jaw dropped. He looked at the telescope, shook it and peeled it into one and more. Yes, yes, Professor, I see them. See, I was not making it up. So Professor बोला, तुम देख सकते हो, నేనేం చూసాను, నువ్వు అది చూడగలవా बोल के बोले तो Emmanuel देखा. As soon as he saw, he was shocked. Tasha also looked through the telescope. She shook her head in disbelief. Tasha और Emmanuel दोनों देख के they were shocked. Professor, I think you should clean your lenses once a while, Emmanuel suggested calmly. I do, Professor Nebula insisted. So, Professor को बोला, Emmanuel बोला, Professor, I think you have to clean your telescope lenses. टेलीस्कोप के सामने जो भी आईना है वो तुम क्लीन करना चाहिए. तो एंड प्लीज़ डोंट कीप इट नियर योर कुकीज़. प्रोफेसर को बोला क्लीन कर लो एंड नियर तुम्हारे कुकीज़ के नज़दीक इसको नको रखो. डोंट कीप इट नियर योर कुकीज़. वाई व्हाट हैपेंड? प्रोफेसर आस्क्ड. प्रोफेसर पूछा क्यों, क्या हो गया? मेरे कुकीज़ के पास टेलीस्कोप रखा तो क्या हो गया बोल के पूछा. Emmanuel took the telescope and opened the lens case. Between the protective glass and lens were a few trapped ants. They had been surviving all these while in cooking crumbs. And all the while the old professor had taken the ants for martians and crumbs for the rocks. तो ये हुआ. सी ऑल दिस कुकीज़ उन्हें प्रोफेसर क्या करता था, वो उसको कुकीज़ मतलब बिस्किट्स बहुत पसंद थे तो बिस्किट्स खाते रहता था. एट द टाइम चींटियाँ पकड़ गई और सब चींटियाँ आके वो कुकीज़ बिस्किटों के टुकड़ों को लेके जाके टेलीस्कोप के अंदर रख देते थे. तो अब ये व्हेन दिस प्रोफेसर सॉ ही थॉट, वो चींटियों की आँखा अब टेलीस्कोप में से छोटा सा चीज़ भी बड़ा बड़ा दिखता. वो चींटियों की आँखा जैसे बड़े बड़े मार्टिन्स के जैसे दिखे और वो बिस्किट कुकीज़ के टुकड़े उसको पत्थर के जैसे दिखे. అవి రాళ్ళలా కనిపించాయంట. ఈ చీమలేమో ఏదో పెద్ద మాన్స్టర్స్ లాగా కనిపించాయంట. Now how do we get down from here? Tasha asked. Tomorrow we will be the talk of the town, but what to do? We tell the people. Emmanuel worried. अब वो लगा एकदम शॉक हो गए. बोले टुमारो वी विल बी द टॉक ऑफ द टाउन. अगर कोई हमको देखा तो हम इतने बुद्धुआ है कि चींटियाँ और कुकीज़ का डिफरेंस नहीं मालूम पड़ा. प्रोफेसर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ओल्ड बोल के सब मजाक उड़ाते बोल के इमैन्युअल वॉज वरीड. प्रोफेसर नेब्यूला looked very sheepish. Another one of his great enthusiastic mission had come to a very unimpressive end. But for the time being, they had to think of the way getting down. So, Professor Emmanuel was very much disappointed. मैं क्या सोचा, अरे क्या हो गया, मैं स्पेस में जाके पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहता था, ये तो पूरा उल्टा हो गया बोल के प्रोफेसर नेब्यूला was very much disappointed and he went back. Okay children, that's all. This is the lesson for you. In the next class I'll give you the hard words and the question answers of this lesson. Okay, thank you.